Learn how to make a botanical shadow box bracelet in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online project. This bracelet is inspired by countryside walks, with each frame a snapshot of a single hedgerow plant from a single spring day in the French countryside. Through this project, I invite you to capture a small part of your own countryside or garden wherever you are in the world, and eternalize it in a solid silver bracelet. This start-to-finish project takes you through every step you need to make silver clay coins with your own plants and flowers, and to transform them into an elegant silver bracelet using traditional silversmithing techniques. In this course, you'll create moulds using flowers and plants from nature, use those moulds with silver clay to create silver coins, create bespoke frames for each of your coins using sterling silver sheet and wire, create a T-bar clasp, and finally, solder all your pieces together to create a bracelet. In the process, you'll learn about working with silver clay, different firing techniques, soldering techniques, polishing, finishing, and all the tips and secrets to handcraft every element of your piece, as well as techniques that you'll find useful in future projects. This project is broken down into 23 easy-to-digest lessons. Simply follow the instructions one lesson at a time. You can complete this project in one go, or if you need to take a break, the handy progress bar will remember where you are, so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to silver clay, a printable bracelet template for the project, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. And finally, all online projects grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.